Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a update from us. So in today's video we have a solution for common problem that many PS5 Slim users face. A disk drive that not work. So let's dive right in. So your PS5 Slim disk drive is not working and you are unable to play your favorite game. Don't worry, we have got you covered. So, here are some steps you can follow to fix the issue. So, the first solution is check internet connection and update PS5. Connect your PS5 Slim to a internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable and go to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 and Slim console and navigate to the setting section. And here select system software update and settings. And if an update is available, select update and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. After the update is installed, restart your PS5 Slim console. Solution 2. Disconnect and reconnect the disk drive. Turn off the PS5 Slim and unplug the console from the power source. And wait a few seconds, carefully disconnect the disk drive from the console and reconnect the disk drive to the console. And then turn on the PS5 Slim. Solution 3. Clean the disk. Remove any dirt or print from the disk using a soft and clean microfiber cloth. And ensure the disk is free from scratch and others damage. And insert the clean disk into the PS5 Slim. And if the disk still doesn't work, try inserting a different disk if other disk does not work. So there is an issue with the disk drive. Solution 4. Clear debris inside the disk drive. Use a compressed can of air or dust blower to clear debris inside the disk drive by blowing inside. Open up the PS5 Slim to better access the disk drive and completely clean it if necessary. Solution 5. Reformat and reinstall system software. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beep to open safe mode. And connect the DualSense controller from the safe mode menu and select Reset PS5. Reinstall system software. And follow the on-screen instructions to reset your system. Solution 6. Contact customer support for repairs shop. So, if none of the steps work and if all the steps fails, it's time to contact Sony customer support. So, go to their website and find the support section. You can chat with our representative or schedule a repair. They might be able to fix the issue or replace your console if it's under a warranty. And there you have it. We hope this video is helpful and fix your PS5 Slim disk drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe it with our friend. And remember, if you have any question or need help with anything else, leave a comment below and we will do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Happy gaming.